Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin C serum on your face. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to create a clean canvas. This removes any dirt, oil, or makeup, ensuring your skin is ready to absorb the serum effectively. After cleansing, gently pat your face almost dry with a clean towel. Leaving your skin slightly damp can actually help the serum penetrate better. An optional step is to use a toner to rebalance your skin's pH, further preparing it for the serum. Now, let's move on to the application. Take a small amount, typically 3 to 5 drops, of your vitamin C serum into your palm or directly onto your fingertips. Gently pat and smooth the serum evenly across your face and neck, using upward strokes. Avoid harsh rubbing, especially if you have sensitive skin. Give the serum about 2 to 3 minutes to fully absorb before moving to the next step in your routine. This ensures maximum efficacy. For optimal benefits, incorporate your vitamin C serum into your morning routine. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from environmental aggressors during the day. After the serum has absorbed, apply a lightweight moisturizer to lock in hydration and the serum's active ingredients. The most crucial final step for your morning routine is applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least 30 SPF. This protects your skin from UV damage, enhancing the serum's protective qualities. To ensure your vitamin C serum remains effective, proper storage is key. Keep it in a cool, dark place, like a cabinet or even your refrigerator, to protect it from light and heat. Always make sure the cap is tightly sealed after every use to prevent air exposure, which can cause the serum to oxidize and lose its potency. For the best results, use your vitamin C serum consistently, either once or twice daily, depending on your skin's tolerance. Look for changes in color or smell, which indicate oxidation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.